Monday. Chaos at work, the investor is waiting for me to submit the project, and I'm wasting my time here. I need coffee. I never guessed that this place would look like this. I have to show it to the guys at the office. Ah, there's Boyana. What's she looking at? So this is the famous LVT. I'd really love to see how it's going to fit into our project. So many designs. Let's take a few parquet design pictures. Oops, presentation in progress. What's upstairs? Aha, my guys are over there. This one is going to the group immediately. They installed flooring in different segments. I would love to see that. My colleagues will be sorry for not coming with us. This one goes to the Instagram. What's going on here? Another presentation. Training for installers. Now I know who's going to resolve my installation problems. Coffee! I skipped mine this morning. This definitely resolves a dilemma about our project. I'm bringing the investor next time. My guys were right. This is an ideal place for inspiration. One last thing, sharing photo on Instagram.